Welcome in, Renegades. And today we are going to look at what is happening with ICP right now. What is going on? And what is the best strategy to use during this kind of a time? So we just got rejected by the weekly RSI by massive amounts. If we go over here, we look at this weekly RSI, we're sitting at 61.12, and the simple moving average is 71.97. So this is pretty interesting to see that we are going down because we got pushed down by this weekly RSI. This could indicate a very interesting entrance point into ICP right now. And what I am doing is I am trading perpetual futures over here on mexc, and I am actually having an open order right now. I just put another order in right here at my average price is $12.63, but I just put this in at $12.36. And so we're going to add a little bit more to our position now, and that's what I did. I opened this yesterday just to kind of see what was going on at about $12.82. Then I put more in at $12.35. My liquidation price is down here at $8.47. And why I chose this area is very, very important. If you go down and you look, where's $8.40? Right about here. So yeah, this is a very interesting area because it is previous support all the way here. I don't think we're going to be going lower than this. I think this is a very interesting liquidation price. I'm also over here trading CKB. I got 2,500 more CKB added to my balance now. I have almost 3,000. I'm going for 100,000 to 500,000. mexc, you can get it on. I will have a referral link in the description below if you want to come over and trade. So yeah, mexc, I've used this for a long time. I bought OGY over here. I've been using this for a very long time. But let's show you how to do this real quick. So basically, I got about 31 USDT available, and I'm going to use about, let's see, 3x leverage. You don't want to really do a whole lot more than this unless you're a degen. Then go ahead, never use 100x leverage. Just be careful. There are a lot of cool rewards if you use this, and you do have at least $200 on your account. If you want to support the channel, you want to support me, go ahead and use the ref link below. But yeah, so I'm going to have my take profit here. You're going to want to take profit price, and you can do last fair index, or you want your stop loss price, and this is 870 because as you see, my liquidation price is 847. I don't think we're going to go to 870, but I want to be careful. I was doing a little bit of TA yesterday. We did break an ascending triangle. Nice move to the upside, and then it went down. That's why I put it in at 1282, because we did break an ascending triangle. But as you see, it went up to about 13. I should have took some profit here, but I'm in this for longer term trade. I want to make some money. So yeah, 1240 something. So we're going to do that. We're looking, it's not really the best entry price, except there is a nice amount of support at about 1230 something. So I'm just going to do this again, about $3 worth at this. So it doesn't really mess our average entry price up. And then you can go to open long. Just make sure you have your take profit, your stop loss, liquidation. So yeah, so let's open. And then it will ask you if everything looks right. And I'm doing it a market order wherever it's at right now. And you can do a limit order too, and we can show you that. So we'll do a limit order as well. So I'm just going to confirm that. As you see, it adds another position. Average entry price is 1261. That actually brought my entry price down. And it looks like it might have brought my liquidation price down too, because my original entry was 1282. So that's very interesting to see how the mechanics of this work, where if it goes down, you can lower that liquidation price, put more money in. So that's our average price right there. And yeah, so this is pretty interesting to see how all of this works. Now let's go look at the actual price. So the volume today is 160 million, number 79. We're still top 100 almost every day. We are number 21. We were almost at 7 billion. So that's crazy that we're back down to 5.7 billion, but we've stayed right around the same ranking. And let's just go look at this. Again, this weekly RSI is looking crazy right now. at about 61. We need this average volume to really come down and give us a boost. Now, if we look at like the shorter term, it does look like we have a nice falling wedge here. So we could do that. Then we could do this. And as you see, we're in this falling wedge. We're testing the bottom of it right here at about 12.14. This is a very good area. And we're starting on the 4-hour to be oversold. This is a massive support area where we have consolidated. We have picked up a lot of volume. We picked up a lot of orders at these prices. I'm very comfortable at these prices. We could go lower. We could end up, somewhere down at this 11 range, but then I'm just going to add more to my position, lower that liquidation price, and I'm going to make this a successful trade. I really believe that ICP is doing big things right now. I'm buying CKB, I'm buying ICP, I'm doing some futures trading because we're heading into the bull market, and that's what we're going to do now. But I would definitely be careful of a further pullback because we are under that weekly RSI. But with this 4-hour looking like that, I'm looking for a recovery, at least in the short term. On the hour, now we are getting rejected by that. But it looks like there's a recovery. We could have like a double bottom here. Let's go back and look out at this daily. Yeah, it's oversold right now. So we went way down on the daily, the weekly, the 4-hour is looking bullish. Everything is looking pretty decent. Let's get rid of all this and kind of see what could be happening. We could have some sort of a descending triangle forming. We had this double top pattern that pushed us down, but I do see, like I said, around 1123, down to about this 1050 area is a big level of support if we do break down from this area right here. So everything's looking bullish. The price is down to one of my lower ones, so I will be adding more if this price breaks down. If not, I'm just going to ride what I have right now and let it go. So we'll see if this goes down to about 1170. I'm going to put more in that 1150 area, down to 1050. I'm really going to be adding more, but for now, I'm just going to have my average where it's at. Make some money. They have these futures competitions. They have all sorts of cool stuff over here, so check it out. All right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP.